Email security protects communication between both people and businesses. I'm Emily. Let's talk about advanced email security. Advanced email security is a cloud-based email protection system that protects you from spam, malware, and phishing attacks. It adds an extra layer of protection by displaying warning banners directly within messages, keeping you one step ahead of potential attacks. To get started with advanced email security, sign into your GoDaddy email and Office dashboard and select Add-ons. Under Advanced Email Security, select Manage and then sign in to Advanced Email Security. Under Security Settings, select Email. From here, we can manage filter policies by creating rules on how your email is encrypted, sender lists by editing safe and blocked senders, and edit spam settings. Under Malicious Content, select URL Defense to scan email links for viruses and phishing attempts. Once signed in, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your email communications are secure. Now let's go over a few things you can do in the dashboard as a user. In addition to those settings, an administrator can manage Digest. This is where you can see quarantine digest emails, what they include, and when and how frequently they're sent. Under Alerts, you can view notifications if mail is unable to be delivered. And Branding is where you can customize your branding and logo. Finally, under User Management, SMTP Discovery is where you monitor email sent using your domain name. Now you know how to take control of your advanced email security. Thanks for watching.